Welcome to our Transform and Triumph training session. This session initiative is more than business training. It's a mission to empower, equip, and elevate visionaries like you. Whether you're launching a new business, rebuilding your strategy, or growing your influence, you are in the right place. Let's walk through what we call the transformative journey, the path that turns your vision into reality. Starting a business begins with the right mindset, believing in your potential, staying resilient, and leading with clarity. From there, develop a strong elevator pitch to communicate your value and register your business to make it official. Build a professional, user-friendly website as your digital storefront, and create a clear business plan to guide your growth. Understanding your finances is key to profitability, while delivering excellent customer experiences builds loyalty. Finally, commit fully to taking action and leading with purpose. This is your time to build and grow. Each of these steps is part of a powerful transformation, and I promise you, when you walk through them with intention, the impact you'll make will go far beyond just business. It becomes a legacy. Welcome! I'm excited you're here because today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in your entrepreneurial toolkit, your business plan. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing roadmap, developing a solid business plan is a critical step toward turning your vision into a thriving business. Here's what we're going to cover in this session. We'll start by discussing the purpose and the benefits of having a business plan. Then we'll explore the 10 essential elements that make up a complete plan. We'll also get interactive with 2 strategic working sessions. The first one will help you outline your core content, and the second will focus on financials, where we'll provide templates to support your drafting. A business plan is more than just a document. It's a powerful tool that supports your growth and direction. It acts as a success tracker, helping you measure progress through clear goals and milestones. It's a decision guide, offering structure for day-to-day operations and long-term strategy. It also serves as a funding tool, showing potential investors or lenders that your business is viable and worth supporting. And finally, it provides a strategic roadmap, aligning your vision with actionable steps to move forward. In short, a strong business plan keeps you focused, fundable, and future-ready. The core purpose of your business plan is to guide your decisions and execution. A comprehensive business plan defines your organization's vision, objectives, and strategies, serving as a clear roadmap for decision-making and execution. Beyond internal alignment, it's also essential for demonstrating viability and attracting funding. The key benefits include continual updates. Your plan evolves with new technologies and long-term goals. Strategic flexibility. It helps you pivot when market conditions shift. Monitor and track progress. You can measure short and long-term goal execution over time. Roadmap for the future. It keeps your business aligned with its mission and focused on where it's headed. A business plan is a dynamic tool that drives clarity, adaptability, and growth. At Loomis, Reddick & Bishop, we use this comprehensive guide to ensure nothing is missed. These 10 elements include everything from your executive summary to your financials and even your appendices. When crafted properly, they form a powerful narrative that transforms your vision into reality and helps your business thrive. Now, let's talk about the first 5 elements of an effective business plan: executive summary, business description, market research and analysis, organization and management, and finally, products and services offered. These form the foundation of how you communicate your business idea with clarity and confidence. Each of these 5 elements plays a vital role in painting a complete and persuasive picture of your business vision. As we move forward, we'll show you how to shape these into a plan that's not only investor-ready, but action-ready. The executive summary is a high-level snapshot of your business. It's often the first and sometimes the only section investors read, so it must be clear and compelling. There are 4 essential components. 1. Business overview. A concise explanation of your business concept, what you offer, and your value proposition. 2. Key objectives. Measurable goals that define what success looks like and how growth will be achieved. 3. Financial summary. A quick outline of funding needs, revenue projections, and financial performance expectations. 4. Growth strategy. A brief look at how you plan to expand, enter the market, and scale over time. Together, these elements give a clear picture of where the business is headed and how it plans to get there. The business description section lays the foundation for the rest of your business plan by clearly explaining who you are, what you do, and why your business exists. It includes 3 key elements. 1. Identity. Share your business name, location, and founding date. This establishes credibility. A strong logo and tagline also help with brand recognition. 2. Mission. State your purpose and values. A clear mission guides your culture, decision-making, and long-term vision. 3. History. Tell your story. Highlight key milestones that show growth, resilience, and progress over time. This section builds trust and helps readers quickly understand what makes your business unique and impactful. The market analysis framework is designed to help you understand the environment your business operates in and how to position yourself effectively. It includes 4 key components. 1. Industry landscape. Assess current trends and forecast future developments within your industry. 2. Target customer. Define your ideal customer by examining demographics, needs, and behavior patterns. 3. Competitive analysis. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of key competitors in your space. 4. Unique advantage. Clearly articulate what sets your business apart, your value proposition that gives you a competitive edge. This framework supports strategic planning and helps investors and stakeholders see the opportunity behind your business. Organization and management. This section outlines how your business is structured from the top down. A clear organizational chart helps investors and stakeholders understand your leadership, roles, and reporting structure. It also supports operational clarity and scalability as the business grows. Be sure to include any legal structure details and highlight the strengths of your management team. Products and Services section highlights what your business offers, your products or services, and how they deliver value to your customers. We begin by defining the products, clearly identifying and describing what you sell. Next, we establish the unique selling proposition, USP, what sets your product apart from the competition. Finally, we manage the product lifecycle, monitoring each stage from launch to retirement to ensure continued relevance and performance. These steps ensure your offerings align with customer needs and support sustainable growth. Now that we've covered the first 5 elements, it's time to work on applying them. Utilize our business plan template to transform your vision into reality. It offers a clear structure, outlines your products, and develops marketing strategies. You can also use the one-pagers template to take notes and to break down each section. We've covered the foundation of your business plan. Let's complete it with the final 5 elements that truly elevate your strategy and set you up for long-term success. Marketing and sales strategy, financial projections, funding request, operational plan, and appendices, milestones, and testimonials. These last 5 elements add strength, clarity, and polish to your business plan. They help demonstrate that you're not just passionate, but prepared. And preparation is what turns great ideas into successful businesses. The marketing and sales strategy section is a vital part of your business plan. It outlines how your company will attract new customers, convert them into paying clients, and retain them to support long-term growth. We begin with market positioning. This defines how your business stands out in a competitive landscape. It answers the question, what makes you different and why should customers choose you? Next is customer acquisition. This focuses on the specific channels and methods you'll use to reach your target audience, whether through digital advertising, content marketing, partnerships, or events. Then we have the sales process, which details how you move prospects through your sales funnel, from initial contact to closed deal. A streamlined and effective process helps drive revenue consistently. Finally, your retention strategy ensures that customers don't just buy once, but return. By delivering value, building relationships, and creating loyalty programs or follow-up systems, you maximize lifetime customer value. When these 4 components work together, they create a comprehensive roadmap to generate demand, drive conversions, and build a strong, loyal customer base. The financial plan is one of the most critical components of your business plan. It communicates the financial health, needs, and growth potential of your business to investors, lenders, and stakeholders. This is where you tell the financial story of your business. It's not just about numbers, it's about showing viability, confidence, and clarity for the future. This includes financial projections, funding requirements, use of funds, break-even analysis, and return on investment. Use realistic numbers backed by research. The stronger and more realistic this section is, the more confidence others will have in your ability to build a successful, sustainable business. Let's take a closer look at what makes up a strong and compelling financial plan. This section is the heart of your business's fiscal roadmap. It lays out the numbers, the needs, and the anticipated outcomes in a structured, transparent way. We start with income statements. This is your projection of income for the next 3 to 5 years. These numbers tell your financial story and give your stakeholders a picture of where your business is headed. Then we move into your funding need. This is where you clearly state how much funding you're requesting. But more importantly, you'll also want to explain why, whether it's for product development, hiring, marketing, or infrastructure. Next is your break-even analysis. This shows when you expect your business to cover its expenses and start generating profit. That timeline helps investors or partners understand your risk window and how quickly they might begin seeing returns. And speaking of returns, we wrap up with your projected ROI, return on investment. It's a powerful metric that shows not only the viability of your business, but also the value it will create for your stakeholders. Together, these four components, income forecasts, capital requirements, break-even timing, and ROI, form the core of a confident, investor-ready financial plan. They show that you're not just passionate, you're financially prepared. The funding request section outlines exactly what you're asking for and why it's needed. When presenting your funding request, make sure you clearly outline the funding requirements, including how much you need and the breakdown of costs. Share your plans for future funding if additional capital will be needed later. You'll also want to explain your exit strategy, showing how investors will be repaid or how they can exit the venture. Then, detail the use of funds, exactly how the money will support growth. Include your key milestones and timelines so investors can see how progress will be measured. And finally, present your financial position, summarizing your current and projected financial health. This gives investors a full and transparent picture of your funding needs. The operational plan outlines the day-to-day functions that keep your business running and how you'll scale over the next 1 to 3 years. Begin with inventory management, which includes how you track stock, manage your supply chain, and ensure product availability. Next is location and facilities. This covers your physical space needs, whether it's a storefront, warehouse, or office setup. Then look at the technology and equipment essential for operations, from hardware and software to systems that support workflow and service delivery. Lastly, the production process details the step-by-step methods for producing or delivering your product or service consistently and efficiently. These components show that your business is not only well-planned, but fully prepared to operate smoothly and scale responsibly. The final section of a business plan is appendices, milestones, and testimonials. The appendix is where you include supporting documents that add depth and credibility to your business plan. Start with key leader resumes, highlighting the background and expertise of your executive team. Include product information with visuals or specifications to give investors a clear understanding of your offerings. Add any legal documents, such as patents, trademarks, or key contracts that support your business claims. And finally, include other materials, like market research, competitive analysis, or data that reinforces your projections and strategies. Organize it well, so anyone reading your plan can quickly find what they need. Also include supporting documents specifically requested by potential investors or partners. Milestones and testimonials play a critical role in building credibility and driving business momentum. Start by collecting customer feedback. Testimonials validate your approach and help build trust with potential clients and partners. Next, celebrate achievements. Recognizing milestones keeps your team motivated and shows progress to investors and stakeholders. Then, monitor key metrics. Use data to track your performance, assess what's working, and uncover areas for growth. Finally, set ambitious goals. Define measurable targets that challenge your team and push the business forward. These elements not only showcase progress, but also reinforce the value and impact of your work. We've now covered all 10 elements, providing a comprehensive overview of each and exploring how they work together to create a complete picture. Now's your opportunity to refine each section using the business plan template provided. Take your time to be thoughtful and thorough, ensuring that every detail is addressed and clearly presented. In our bonus session, we'll do a high-level discussion on financials. This will help us identify opportunities, address gaps, and strengthen your overall plan. Welcome to the bonus session on business plan financials. Financial statements tell the story of your business in numbers. Today, we'll unpack each key statement so you feel confident reading, creating, and presenting them. Understanding financial statements is essential for every entrepreneur as they serve as the backbone of business success. These reports provide a clear snapshot of your company's financial health and support informed decision-making. In this session, we'll break down the core statements you need to master to confidently manage, analyze, and grow your business. This slide outlines 5 key components of your financial statements, each offering a specific view of your business's financial health and performance. We begin with the balance sheet, which provides a snapshot of your company's financial position at a specific point in time, listing assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Next is the income statement, or profit and loss statement. It summarizes revenue, expenses, and net income over a period, showing whether your business is operating at a profit or loss. The cash flow statement tracks how cash moves in and out of your business. It's broken into operating, investing, and financing activities to show liquidity and cash management. Then we have the owner's equity roll forward, which shows how equity changes over time. It accounts for investments, earnings, and withdrawals or dividends. Footnotes to financial statements are equally important. They explain the numbers behind the numbers, offering context, clarifications, and any unique financial assumptions or policies. Together, these financial documents provide a complete, transparent view of your business's financial story, essential for informed decision-making and investor confidence. Preparing and analyzing financial statements is not just about reporting numbers. It's about extracting insight that drives better business decisions. We begin with prepare thoroughly. Make sure all line items are accurate, complete, and supported by documentation. This lays the foundation for reliable reporting. Next, analyze carefully. Review each statement to identify patterns, red flags, or inconsistencies. Look for trends in revenue, expenses, and cash flow that may need attention. Then, calculate key ratios. Financial ratios, like liquidity, profitability, and solvency, provide a deeper view of your financial health and help you assess performance over time. Finally, interpret insights. Use the analysis to draw meaningful conclusions and guide your strategy, budgeting, and forecasting. Following this cycle ensures your financial statements are not only accurate but also actionable. Analyzing your income statement helps you understand the financial performance of your business. Start by reviewing revenue trends to identify growth patterns. Next, evaluate the cost of goods sold and then calculate your gross profit margin to see how well you're managing production costs. Then assess your operating expenses to understand where money is being spent. Analyze operating income, followed by your other income and expenses for anything impacting your bottom line. Then analyze net profit margin to measure overall profitability. Perform year-over-year comparisons. Use ratio analysis to compare performance against standards or competitors. Finally, use all insights gathered to draw conclusions and recommend action. This step-by-step approach gives you a clear picture of your business's financial health. To help simplify the financial planning process, we're offering you a powerful resource, our financial statement template. Download the template by scanning the QR code. This tool is designed for businesses of all sizes, simplifying the creation of professional financial statements. It helps you monitor financial health and make informed decisions efficiently. If you're still getting started with your financial systems, one essential skill to master is performing a basic bank reconciliation. To make the process easier, we've created a simple, step-by-step guide to help you get it done seamlessly. First is gather your records. Next is compare opening balances. Then match deposits and withdrawals. Next is identify missing transactions. Then check for errors. And finally, reconcile the ending balance. This will help you catch errors, identify missing payments, and maintain accurate records for your business. Need a little extra help? Use AI tools to simplify your workflow and boost productivity. AI Tools empowers entrepreneurs to work smarter and faster using platforms like Canva for professional design templates, Jasper for AI-driven marketing content, ChatGPT for versatile text generation, and Gamma for interactive, AI-powered presentations. These tools streamline content creation, enhance productivity, and elevate the quality of business communications, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth, not just execution. To operate efficiently and scale effectively, every business must implement a set of core systems that support both daily functions and long-term strategy. First, we have business essentials. These include tools like Microsoft Office, website platforms, and AI-powered solutions that streamline communication, collaboration, and workflow management, foundational systems for any business. Next are accounting tools. Software like QuickBooks Pro and TurboTax are critical for maintaining accurate financial records, managing cash flow, and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Assessment tools help with internal evaluation. Conducting regular SWOT analyses allows businesses to identify their strengths, address weaknesses, and uncover opportunities for growth, all of which are vital for strategic planning. Lastly, customer experience systems play a key role in building brand loyalty. Tools such as Qualtrics and Power BI help businesses gather feedback, monitor customer satisfaction, and turn insights into actionable improvements. These systems provide a strong operational foundation, improve decision-making, and support sustainable business growth.
Thank you for joining us today and taking the time to invest in your business future. Remember, every successful business starts with a clear vision and a solid plan. If you're feeling overwhelmed, our team at Loomis, Reddick & Bishop is here to support you every step of the way. We offer a 100% personalized approach, dedicated support, and a proven track record of 5-star client satisfaction. Scan the QR code or visit our website to schedule your free consultation. Let's turn your vision into strategy and your strategy into reality. We look forward to partnering with you on the journey. We believe in equipping entrepreneurs with tools, not just talk. This is your invitation to not just dream, but to actually do. You can visit our website at loomisreddickbishop.com to stay up to date with all training schedules and opportunities to plug in.
Thank you for completing the Developing Your Business Plan training with us. You're making great strides, and we can't wait to see you grow even more. Keep an eye out for our upcoming sessions and see you again soon at our next training.